Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Peugeot. So from any screen, let's see, you've got nav there, you've got setup and so on. It's gone straight to select destination. Select destination, enter an address. We actually want PR5 4JS. It's already in there, but I'll click on it again. So click on there. Here we go. Now just wind it across. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P. It's gone straight to R. And then we need to go to numbers. So 5. Just wind the wheel across. Back to 4. And then we're back on. It's defaulted back to letters J. Hopefully you can see that. Actually, I'm probably covering it up with my big Mars bar fingers. S. PR5 4JS. And at the bottom, you may not be able to see from this camera, but bottom right hand side it says OK, and it already defaults to OK. So we'll just go back to OK, click the button OK. That's it. Then you have, even though you've just put it in, you've got to click it again. Fastest route. It gets a bit monotonous. Now there's a warning. Navigation is an electronic aid. It can never be a substitute for the driver. Every guidance instruction should be carefully checked by the user. You could have got there by now. Click OK again, and it's now working out the journey. That's it. It also shows you in the centre here where your next turn. So it's really good.